Alright, let's go see what he's up to today. I haven't heard from much. What the heck is this?
Oh, hey. This is an original Gangster B-Series Sidewinder setup.
Jeez.
First one of these I built was in 2003, maybe 2004, which was, people were like, I want something that's AC compatible. So this is the answer. So the AC compressor goes right here.
No kidding.
And all this fits behind the stock full-size radiator.
So people were having issues with it before because they couldn't keep their AC unit?
Yeah, basically. Or you'd have to go to a half-size radiator, which means, you know, if you track the car, you're not going to have any cooling.
Yeah.
So this allows full-size radiator, allows for AC, 3-inch downpipe. So, you know, back then, I think the 60-1 was the turbo of choice, which was a pretty big housing. It's this size externally. So
that's crazy.
But now they've got, you know, a ton of different wheel sizes and such. So, and in this case, we got this PWR barrel intercooler.
I was about to say, what is that?
It's an intercooler, water-to-air intercooler. Water flows in here, out here, or whatever works. So cold water, and then the hot turbo air blows through that way. And in this case, there's no charge piping. I mean, I guess a little bit. Inches of charge piping.
This is nuts.
So this customer sent me the turbo, sent me the PWR, sent me the intake manifold throttle body so I could convert them to Van Gen flanges, or HD clamps, sorry, vibrant HD clamps.
Oh, okay.
So let me take this one off.
Okay.
So it's a clamp, it's got a quick release clevis, and I don't have them on now because you don't have them on when you fabricate, but O-rings go in there,
okay,
around those grooves. And then the sleeve slips over the O-rings, which is all held in place with this.
Gotcha.
And then this clamp holds it. So
that's crazy.
that allows for things to move and still hold screws.
Jeez Louise. You said you've been doing, you did this in 03?
The manifold, yeah. So then in this case, wastegate priority. So all your exhaust pulses and pressure goes into the wastegate first. So this way you have the ultimate boost control. You know, in this case it recirculates back into the downpipe. You can see some of the welds.
I was gonna say, can we just appreciate those right there?
Yeah, my voice is...
God.
I'll just shut up and let you watch.
Dang.
So.
This is cool. So you've got to do what else with this one then?
I just have to add O2 bungs, oxygen sensor bungs, and then it's ready to ship.
Sweet.
So he ordered the manifold right when the lockdowns happened, and I built it. And then he's like, "Hey, you want to do the rest of the stuff?" I'm like, "Yeah."
Yeah.
Pull my arm behind my back there.
Sure.
So I did. It worked out good. The head is an LS head. It's a B-Series LS head, and he's got a VTEC head. So I'm hoping there's not too many big differences this way, but there should be a little bit of play. And I told him if it doesn't fit, we'll, you know, tweak it. So.
Cool. This thing's nuts.
Yeah. So I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. So.
And I was about to say, you had a little fun over the weekend.
Yeah.
You went down to Detroit.
Went down to Detroit. Helped my buddy and customer John set up for his end of the year party. So that went well. I got to hang out at the racetrack all weekend. Did some fishing. Then we went to Waterford. Well, we started the weekend at Waterford. Waterford Hills Raceway. I've never been on that. I've been there.
Okay, I've heard of it.
So we went and did some parade laps just because I'd never been on it, and the girlfriend had never been on track. So started out with a parade lap. If you throw her in with an unlimited time attack car, she'll probably throw up, right?
Probably, yeah. That's fair.
So we just started out with some parade laps. We get done, she's like, "I can drive faster than that." She probably can. So It was fun. She drives faster than that. She drives around town.
What car were you guys in?
I was in the Bummer.
Oh, okay. Okay.
I don't post everything on social media. So we'll just call it the Bummer. But it did fine. So it's just parade laps, 40 miles an hour. It's not, you can take my truck out there.
So let's say that's just kind of like understanding the track and what it is, right?
Yeah, you just kind of tootle around. They don't make you wear helmets or anything because it's such a low speed. So if you lose control on a parade lap, you're doing something wrong.
I was gonna say, you probably shouldn't be out there.
Yeah. So as it was, some of the corners were pretty tight and we were kind of squealing tires. I'm like, so I slowed it down a little bit. If I was out there, yeah, squeal tires, but you don't want to be squealing tires on a parade lap. So next, yeah, doing 2 sensor on this. Kind of got to mark where it goes. I gotta check my notes. I think he wanted 2. I don't remember. Yeah, 1 for stock. And then I'll just do 2 over here.
So I think you also mentioned to me, I know we can't really talk about everything, but looks like something in the distance over there might be getting some parts.
Yeah.
Yeah,
we shot an episode, but we can't show it yet.
Stupid contracts.
Yeah, and it's not my build, so.
Yeah.
It's on the customer's timeline, so he wants to wait till sometime to release the episode. So next, actually this week, I'm gonna get the steering hooked up.
Okay.
That way we can push it around easier. So we're doing a dyno day this weekend, which will probably be our next episode after the steering episode. And yeah, that'll be busy. So, but I want to be able to push cars around a lot easier.
Yeah, I don't blame you. But a nice little update with kind of what's going on here.
Yeah, busy times. There's a lot more going on, which we'll reveal when we can, if we can.
I was about to say, this is one of those weird things where it's like, I want to be like, hey Cody, let's do this. Hey Cody, let's do that. And he's like, hey, guess what? We really can't. Yeah. And I was like, oh, well.
Yeah, nope.
Oh well.
Yeah, NDAs and stuff.
So we'll see as things kind of, as time progresses, but just know.
It's gonna be a busy winter.
There's some stuff coming for you that you guys get to see and follow up on.
That's right. I guess I will say we have a testing facility lined up for the Enviate program. So we'll unveil that more as time goes. But
I was about to say, we really haven't talked about much about that, and then you just said, hey, Enviate testing program. We should probably give them a little bit more leeway, or we're going to keep you on suspense. Who knows?
Yeah, we'll leave you hanging. There's more stuff to sort out. But 2021 is going to be a lot of fun.
I'm excited for it. Well, all right. We'll let you get back to it. Thank you for the update, and steering episode for that later.
Yes.
See ya.
Bye.